Subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to add cinematic motion to portrait here. In this tutorial we will create a mind-blowing motion effect in portrait here. Open your portrait image, duplicate the layer and go to the filter, select blur and select motion blur. Set the angle according to the hair flow directions. Mask out the face and keep the blur only on hair areas. This adds natural movement and volume. Now add a soft brush to paint light streaks on new layers. Set them to overlay for shine and also add gradient light for drama. It gives a fashion additional vibe instantly. Adjust the motion distance until it's feel balanced. This is perfect for